Welcome to TRADEREP. This is Shorthammer. It is the 10th of September 2019, and we're taking a look at Amazon. Now, Amazon, ever since we fall into the 1740s, the buyers have pushed us back to the 1830s. We've had the rejection back to the downside, push back up into the 1830s, push back into the 1740s, back to the 1830s, and we've been in sort of a channel of sorts. We recently pushed above that channel, and the expectation was continuation, but we ran headfirst into the 1845 area, and that supply-demand zone has provided a little bit of resistance for us. So what we're watching here is on this pullback, we're still basically holding right at this, I'll call it the breakout level, to break out of this channel. So what we want to see tomorrow is that the buyers step in and give us another leg up through the 1840s into the 1850s. That would be perfect. If we sell off and go down into the 1820s deeper, then that would signal that we're potentially back inside of that channel, and any bad news could take us back to the bottom of this channel. The expectation on this break above was that the buyers would step in and we would get a squeeze to the upside. So we'll see tomorrow if that is confirmed, if the buyers truly have stepped in. And if we are about to go on I'll call it a bull run potentially. We'll see what happens. But this is interesting, and we'll see how this shakes. The preference for today would have been a close above the 1858 supply-demand zone. We'll see what happens tomorrow, but I'll be watching. If we continue to sell and we get below the 1818s, I'll probably be short Amazon to the downside. If we push up and we hold this 1833.78 area and we break above this 1849, I would expect a squeeze into the 1868 by 1875 area. We have to see how that shakes, and just keeping an eye on Amazon to see which direction they're going to take us in. But interesting setup here on Amazon, back testing the breakout levels here that we were stuck in for, let's see, almost a month. It seems like we were stuck in that. Yep, about a month. So we'll see how this shakes.